What's up guys, welcome back to our blog number 3. This is Ariful Islam with me, my friend Achol here. Where Achol? Hi. Achol here. My another friend is Arif Rabbani.
Hello.
We are going to traveling Salra. If you interested, continue us. So let's go.
Hey guys, finally we have come here in the forest road. You are watching. This is a forest road, and middle of the forest there is a road. This road is totally awesome. You are watching that, and beside the roads there are many rows of trees both sides of the road. It is totally awesome. When you will get free time, I will suggest you, and you can come here and you can enjoy a lot. And if you come here, you will enjoy a lot. This is a forest road you are watching. There are my friends, and I have taken him for helping me, but they are not helping me. So for what they are not helping me, I will ask him. So stay with me. I will ask him. Hey bro, Arif.
First time I have come, so enjoy a lot, then I will help you. So
it's so sad. So you?
First I will take selfie, then I will help you.
Sure,
Bro.
definitely.
He is a selfish, very selfish bro, because I have come here for helping me, but he is not helping me right now at this moment. So you will definitely comment. Who is better in this vlog. Yes bro. So now I will show you the scenery of the forest different way. You can watch.
I can see the light from your bedroom door. You've been staying up late, I don't know what for. Let's watch the spinning blades of the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep, come on, take my hand. Come on and take my. I can be a sunset You will be the light in my darkest place. I can be a sunset.
Finally we have come in front of the gate of Salra, and this is the signboard of Salra you are watching. The name is NNR Bagan, that means garden you are watching, and there was a signboard here before, but there is no signboard here at this moment. The signboard has broken at this moment. So today we are making this video, this vlog, but today the weather is very sunny and very warm day, and for that we are very thirsty at this moment. We have to drink water. So I saw you the signboard before going inside the lake. You have to go in this way. So stay with us. Yes, finally we have come in front of the main gate of Salra. You are watching. There is a main gate of Salra. This is the main gate, but this gate was very good before, and it was decorated, but right now it is not decorated. Light has broken and signboard has broken. All thing has broken from here. Just when we have come here, we have very upset at this moment. It doesn't matter, we have upset right now, but we will enjoy a lot, and what have in this place I will try to show you different way. For that you have to stay with us, okay? There was a signboard here, there was a text on the signboard, welcome to Salra Muktagasa Maimenshing, but now it is vanished. There is no signboard here. All things has broken at this moment. And there was another signboard, you are watching, there was another signboard, and the text on the signboard, you have to pay the ticket bill before sitting on the bench. There was a logo and a fisherman catching fish from the lake, but now there is no signboard, no logo, no banner. All things has broken from here at this moment. Before, inside the lake, it was neat and clean and well decorated. There was so many flower trees here, and there was a traditional icon here, the plough. That kind of plough used to farmer before. Now it is vanished from our country. And there was a stage here, and another thing is there was a turkey hen here, but it is not here at this moment. And there was a whale. What kind of whale? That is traditional icon, and we can't see this kind of things always at this moment. And it was round and white color, but it is vanished at this moment. We can see this kind of things from our society, from our country at this moment. All things has broken right now. Hey guys, finally we have come inside the lake of Salra. You are watching, this is the lake of Salra, and now I am showing you, this is the field of Salra. The field is totally awesome. You are watching, the field is nice and neat and clean, this field. And there is a guest house here. You are watching, there is a guest house here, and people sometimes come here and rest here, and from here they watch this Salra and his beauty and this beauty. And there are many kinds of trees here. You are watching, beside the guest house there is a mango tree and lychee tree and different kind of trees here. And there was a garden here, but the garden was not, the garden is not right now here, because when we have come here, I have listened, the owner of this garden, the owner of this lake has died. For that it is not decorated right now, but I tried to you lot different way it is in this lake. So if you stay with us, you will watch very nicely this our lake. This is this lake, and you are watching, this is the lake you are watching, and the different kind of things you are watching. And there are so many rows of trees you are watching beside the lake, so many trees, and it's look like forest. Some people said this is mini Sundarban. Some people said this is mini Sundarban. You are watching, look like mini Sundarban. And when we came here, we saw it is also actually this is like a mini Sundarban. And you are watching, this is a lake. Finally, now we are watching, this is a lake, and this is a big lake. What I will say, this is a big lake. And if you, I am showing you the lake from far, and I will try to show you the lake closely. And I think if you get free time, you can come here and you can fresh your mind. And I have listened that every single holiday the fishing competition are held here. If you come on holiday, you can see this kind of fishing competition, and you will enjoy a lot. And you can come here, if you come here, you will enjoy a lot. What I will say, I don't know, I don't have any language for saying this. So I have come here, and coming here we have surprised, and we have seen many things. And finally I never go this kind of place before, so totally I'm surprised. Okay, that's all. And I will try to show you the forest closely. For that you have to stay with us. Okay, bye. Hey guys, it is time to go to our house at this moment, because we are very thirsty and we are very hungry at this moment. After a 1 or 2 hour journey, we have very thirsty at this moment. We have to live in this forest at this moment, and I tried to you a lot to show this forest or this kind of block and different way. But I hope that, and if you're interested and if you want if you want this kind of blog, and if you want to learn English, definitely you will comment and you will stay with us, and you will comment for the next video. And if you comment, we'll inspire and we'll make another video. So for that, definitely you have to comment. So take care of your health. See you next blog. So till then, bye bye. Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay.